Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat login issue on iPhone and iPad and as well as on Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear, and we have to tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Snapchat. If there is, then tap on update to update Snapchat. After update Snapchat, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions to fix this issue. Solution number 2, check your internet connection. We just make sure that we have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Solution number 3, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. For that, tap and hold Snapchat app and tap on remove app. After that, go back to App Store and search for Snapchat and re-download Snapchat. Now we go for solution number 4, reset network settings. First we have to go to settings, then tap on general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 5, try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Finally, we go for solution number 6, check the latest iOS version. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection, then tap general and tap software update. Checking for update. Now we have to tap download and install to install latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.